Hello people of the internet, I hope you all are doing just well. So a few days before I came across this app, Smytten, as you can see, and they claim to give you the legit sample size products of different brand right at your doorstep, and all you have to do is select which package you want or which product you want to be delivered at your home, and you just have to pay your delivery charge, and all the sample size products are going to get to your house for absolutely free. So the main thing that you have to understand is you get only three chances for that. After that, you might not get the opportunity to get free sample size products. Now, for this, you don't have to be a YouTuber or blogger or anything. It is just like any other shopping app where you can explore, just as they say, different products and different brands and see whether you like them or not before buying the actual price. So this is how it looks, and the products came in a box like this. My mom threw one of the boxes because, as according to her, I'm just overcrowding this place. So I could manage one of these boxes, as you can see. And also I would have ordered all of this in one go, but I wasn't sure whether I will be doing a review on this app. So I had to order twice, and I had to pay the delivery charge twice. You don't have to do that. You can do it all in one and not be a fool like me. So moving on, this is the first package that I received, and I didn't order much in this one. I only ordered, I don't know why did I order this, but yeah, I got this. Everyone is familiar with Dove. I don't have to explain it to them. So okay, and another one is these contact lenses, fresh look. Okay, as if you have seen my other videos, you would know that I'm a big fan of contact lenses, and I have been wearing contact lenses for, I guess, 5 years by now, and I'm a big fan. I like trying out new colors, but I wish I knew that there's an app like this which allows you to get one-day contact lenses where you can put on and see whether you like it or not, and then get contact lenses for a year or something more than that. So I didn't have this opportunity back then when I got my first contact lenses, and you wouldn't believe, I actually got a blue contact lens. Yes, I was that foolish, and it didn't suit me at all, but I still kept wearing it because I don't know just why. Someone could have stopped me, but no one did. Anyways, so this one is gray. Okay, yeah, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, gray wouldn't suit me. I know. But these are one-day contact lenses. What's the harm? I might try it. It might suit me. So yeah, I will be putting this on, but not today. Maybe some day else. So this is how it looks. I got fresh look contact lenses, one-day contact lenses, gray, and this Dove baby bar. Okay, so moving on, the other packaging that I received is this one, and this packaging is called Summer Stunner. And let's see what all are inside this. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna see is this azafran. I don't know how to pronounce this. If you know, please let me know if I'm wrong. Organics Defend SPF 30 plus cream. SPF 30 is not bad, guys. I would be actually trying this at home and see whether I like it or not. See, these are the brands which, I don't know about this brand, or what is this? What is it called? Sear Secrets. I didn't know about this brand as well. What is this? Natural Toning Mist. So, this app is really helpful if you really want to try on new brands, and if you don't know whether you like them or not, and get them at your home and see for a day or two, try them out. This is quite some quantity. This will last for a long time, I think. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this is quite nice. Oh, soothing. It has a rosy smell, obviously. Okay, moving on. This is Plum Mattifying cream. I haven't tried any products of this brand, but this brand is getting like quite hyped. So I can't wait to try this cream, mattifying cream on most of my area. I'm really oily in some regions, so I would be using this for, like, the quantity is not bad. How much did they give me? Let me see. I can't find the quantity. Okay, I can't find the quantity, I'm sorry, but like it will last for a couple of days, I think. Yeah, it will last for a couple of days, so it's quite good. Okay, I got another Fresh Look contact lenses, and this one is in Pure Hazel. I've tried Pure Hazel before. This would suit me, I know this much, so I can't wait to try them as well. You see? Okay, moving on. What is this? What is this? Bio Bloom hair cleanser. Bio Bloom hair cleanser. Okay, this is also something that I am not acquainted with. I haven't heard about this brand before, so I will be using this as well as per the is there any? No, there's ingredients listed and free from parabens and other stuff that I can't pronunciate right now. Okay, so I can't wait to try this as well at home and see. I mean, this will last for a week or something like that. So let's see whether I like it or not. If I do, I will be getting the actual size as well. And what is this? Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion. This is another sunscreen, I guess. So, okay. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. So these are all the products that I got from Smytten, and I just can't wait to try them at home and see whether I like them or not. And if I do, I will definitely be ordering the full sizes from this place. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done. And hope to see you soon again. And I will be using all these products at home and see whether I like them or not. I am quite pretty excited about this one, and these contact lenses and this toner. So let's see whether I like them or not. Thank you for watching this video, and keep coming and keep spreading love. That's it for today. Bye.